Wait until I say go, okay? Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
And he went up there and he was coming back down towards us and he goes, run. He stopped.
Did you do that? Go to Kennel. Hey, Kennel.
We're not, Brennan. We are not starting this. No. Will you be my Valentine?
What? Look at how beautiful it is. She's spitting.
I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the beat like boom. Mustard on the beat, bro. Bing, back, boom, back, bing, bing, boom.
Where did this come from? Stella? Do you know anything about this?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. I'm sorry, okay.
Oh my God. Maybe trying to make Sky get in the car. But Sky don't want to get in the car.
Miller, come on! Oh my God!
Who got a bat? Cal.
Elvis, get the f back in this house right now. Get inside now!
Amir, sit. She said, sit. Good boy. Yeah, tell the puppy you love him. I love him.
It's
been a minute, but he back at it.
Hi, can I touch you? No. Oh, okay.
A small bite. Small bite. Small. Small bite. Small.
Oh, yeah, you.
Show of all! Feast your eyes on this!
Come on, Bobo. Come on, come on. Come here. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh, Bobo, come on. Come on, Bobo.
Running over here, but then she, Princess, has to have a ride with Daddy. Princess.
Côté, il renifle là. Non, non. Allez. Allez.
Excuse me. This is my sock. Stella? That's rude. Give me my sock. That's so rude.
No. Toby. No. Let's watch her. We'll watch her get off. Ready? Come on. Come on. Come on. How'd you get up there? Oh, that's how.
Humans. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Whoa.
Jackie, wow, look at that.
Nice.
Yeah, this way, this way.
我操！操！操！操！操！操！操！操！操！操！操！操！操！操!
Брали попугая уточку, да?
Hey, Mr. Horse, are you coming to get them?
Unbelievable.
Yeah, my dog's just standing in the pool.
So, Pumba, siéntate, Maya.
Come on, get in here. Come on, Zilla. Come on. Get in the yard. Come on. That was way too easy for you.
For that, bro. That is the coolest shit ever, bro.
You see a cute cat?
Oh my god.
I'm just gonna change and I'll be right back out, okay? Okay. Excuse me. Can I shut this?
Did you know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier, you would have to live outside and fight for every meal you ever had? I know. It's crazy.
Boop. Boop. Boop.
Are your armpits so ticklish? Are your armpits so ticklish?
Stop. Yeah, I see it. And leave it alone.
Come on. You know what to do. Yeah. Here it comes.
Bye.
Papa.
Bye. Love you.
Is that comfortable?
Eyes are fully conscious. I just feel like he knows me.
Daddy. Daddy. Hey! Stop! No! No, Jackson!
When all you have is your dog to practice your nursing physical assessments on. Part 2.
Today, can you tell me your name and your date of birth? Okay. Checks ID band. Verifies. And can you tell me where you are right now?
Is that really nice?
Oh, jeez, we don't go back past.
¿Qué quiere?
Abby. Yeah.
Good, you alright?
Palinky, are you thumping, baby? Are you happy?
That phone.
Hey! Stella! The heck was that for? Are you gonna ignore me? Okay.
He doesn't want to come inside. He wants to run, jump in that puddle over there, and he wants me to watch him. Yep.
The dogs are ready for bed. It's just a peaceful night here. Get ready to go to bed myself. What is that? What? Oh, God!
Ray. Ray. See what we've done wrong here? Ray, stop. Stop it.
Lay down. Lay down. Hey.
Постараюсь подкрадусь к нему. Сегодня дождливая погода, и поэтому он проводит свои дни у окошка. Ты проводишь свои дни у окошка? Гай, привет.
Ai! Ai, que susto!
Just hold this while I measure something, right? Good boy. Bit more. Good boy.
I'd like to be a peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch it.
If that isn't cute. Is that your baby? Huh?
Oh my goodness! He did that to you, really?
Who ate the Hawaiian rolls? It's right here. Look, bud. It's not under the table. Jax.
Oh wow, this is interesting.
Please come here. Please come here. Shh. Shh. Come here. Come here. Come here.
You don't want to share?
Shut, okay.
Oh, what's wrong? Does it meet your standard of surfing, chick? I think so.
Motherfucking God. That motherfucker.
Oh, that's so cute. Okay.
Stop. Stop, Lolo.
Who did this right here? Huh? You? Or you? You did it, huh? You're bad.
Oh. Watch it, those. Do you like the... Oh! Jack. Jack, are you mad at me? Jack!
No!
Jameson!
Hola, bien pueda.
Do you want to get on the chair? Hi, baby. I met you. Hi.
You're so cute.
Yes.
Oh.
If you see me and you tryna see what's
Nothing, Dingo? Nothing?
Я обещала показывать вам милых пациентов? Хоба, посмотрите на эту мордаху.
Charlie, look, Mom found a 4-leaf clover. Want to smell it? No, you can't eat it!
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
You gotta come and get it. Come get the bone. Come.
Mom, my belly is rumbling. I hunger, Mother. I hunger. Why do you starve me?
Bud, it is bedtime.
Winnie, are you serious?
This my mama. What you gonna do about it? This my mama.
Morning.
Yeah? That's a bad girl, Wheelie. That's a bad, bad girl. Can you say sorry?
Oh, God, no.
Oh, my God.
We got a crawler. He's a snakin'. He's a snake. He's a snittery snake.
Excuse me. Что я легла отдохнуть?
Bij Hoogheidekant van de Hoogheuvel werd een man doodgeschoten. Op de achtergrond werd dan wel de naam gekruist.
Yes, puppy.
You don't like egg.
Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk?
It's coming from the top too.
Oh, it's scratching, dude.
Puppy.
Hi, puppy.
Yep. Hey, Ryan. Maybe we'll be dropped off the.
You can't get in the car, Gabby. You're wet.
Come on, Gabby. I know. You're scared. No.
Oh, God.
What the?
Brain break up with Chet Palmer.
Baby.
Must be broken. Oh boy, I don't need this bit.